Yo, what is going on, you guys? Edward here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you the best money-making applications to earn you some free Amazon gift cards. I'm going to be showing you proof that these are actually paying out still, and I'm also going to be showing you how you can actually make these passive. So make sure you watch this video from the beginning till the end so you know exactly what you need to do in order to start to make some money today. So let's get started right away with today's money-making method. So in today's video, guys, I'm actually on my phone. I'm actually on a Galaxy Fold Z2 or something like that. So as you can see, I'm actually on this website or this application called Rewards Automator, and I know that this website is still around, and I know most of you guys are possibly not using it anymore. The reason being is because if you have an older account for Bing, then you will not be able to receive Amazon gift cards as we speak, but you will be able to receive everything else other than that, guys. So in order to check out first what you're able to withdraw or redeem, you just go to the redeem tab right there, you scroll down, and you can see all of these gift cards that you're able to redeem right here. There's some for like food, there's some for like movies, there's some for games and stuff, like right there, sweepstakes. I would recommend you staying away from the sweepstakes, but if you like Xbox, or if you own an Xbox, you can redeem Xbox gift cards to help you support your expenses that are really not needed, but this can be free. You have checkpoints there, and if we scroll down, you can see Amazon is still on my account, and I'm going to go ahead and redeem the Amazon for this video so you guys can actually get a free $10 or $5, I think. No, it's going to be $5 Amazon gift card within this video, guys. So as soon as I redeem this right here, I'm going to be showing you a picture somewhere on this screen of a free $5 Amazon gift cards, and whoever finds it and whoever actually puts it inside of their Amazon account is going to be the lucky winner to get a free $5 Amazon gift card from me, guys. So let's go ahead and redeem this real quick, and you see you need at least 5,200 points, and I get this around every week. So once a week I get a free $5 from this application itself. So let's go to redeem reward real quick. So once we have clicked on redeem reward, you're gonna see my email right there, jre16@yahoo.com. So let's go to confirm reward, and it's gonna be sending me an email, and you might get the notification at the top of my screen on my phone. So we're gonna get a notification pretty soon at the top of my screen showing you that I've gotten the Amazon gift card, and I'm gonna be there it is right there. You see that little button at the top of my screen right next to Honey Gain? There it is. It's going to be showing you a free Amazon gift card inside of that email, guys. So after this video, I'm going to go check it out. I'm going to put it somewhere in this video from this point forward. So make sure you keep watching this video to find that Amazon gift card. So now this application is 100% passive. All you literally have to do is just come in once a day, literally just once a day, and click on one button. And now let's go back to rewards real quick. So once we go back to rewards, guys, the way you earn these points and the way you earn these gift cards is go to points break. If you do a daily search of 150 PC searches and 100 mobile searches and 20 edge bonus searches, then you're going to be getting these points. So let's show you how to make that passive. On this application, all you do is click where it says search all. It's going to search through a whole list of 70 words, and that's all you need in order to complete this application. So it's going to take about, I'm going to say, a max of like 2 minutes or a minute for this to go complete all the way through. So I just let this run in the morning while I'm either getting dressed, brush my teeth, or just doing something where my phone's just chilling, and then I let it finish. And then once it's finished, guys, I just exit out the app, come back tomorrow, do the same thing in the mornings before I go to bed, before I take a shower or something like that. So this is the way I use this application. I'm going to go ahead and cancel that just because I already redeemed the points today, so there's no need for me to let it go through. So now let's move on to the next application. So the next application is going to be Smores. I have no idea why most of you guys do not use Smores. I am still using Smores just because they're still paying and it's passive, guys. I know it gets annoying for having that advertisement on your phone, but why are you paying your phone bill and not getting paid to have a phone? You're actually getting charged to have a phone instead of getting paid to have a phone. So this is one of those things that I use in order to get paid to own my phone. And you just have to, you know, go get around that feeling of having an advertisement show up on your phone, guys, because at the end of the day you're just gonna keep getting payments, or you're gonna keep getting charges from your phone company provider, and you're not gonna be able to get any money from your phone. So that's the way I'm thinking about this. And let me see if I can show you how much I've actually earned from this application itself. All it does is just show you literally an advertisement like that, as you just seen right there. I have to upgrade this thing real quick, but you seen, I'm pretty sure you seen that advertisement at the very beginning. So that little advertisement that had the Smores logo, that's what's going to show on your screen. You can see I've already got my points for today. So let me see if I can show you how much I've earned from this application. So I'm not going to be able to show you, I don't see like a little thing for me to show you my payment proofs, but you can see one right here on January 29th of 300 points. All I did was scroll down to I seen like a 300. So I don't know if that was the first one, second one. Look, there's another one I just seen right there. Cash out Wednesday, August 11th, another 300. And these 300 are point. Oh, look, that was pretty recent. So these 300 points are, I think, like $3. I'm gonna say, yeah, $3. So the longer you save, the more you can earn, and I guess the cheaper it can become. There is another application that I'm recently trying out. I don't know if they're paying out, guys, but this is a really interesting one, and I'm gonna be showing you a strategy on how you can get all of these right here, referring just 5 people to get a free $175 Amazon gift card. I'm going to be showing you a strategy in a future video of how you can get all of these 5 really quick and really fast and really easy, but I do not know if they're paying out yet. But I want to show you this application, guys, because it's really interesting. All you literally do is just drive your car for miles, 2 miles. It says right there, referral must take 10 2-mile trips between August 27th to August 30th, and you'll be able to receive the rewards. So this is pretty interesting, guys. If you refer 1, you get $5. You refer 2, you get 10, 3, 15, 4, 20, 5, 175. So this is a really interesting application, guys. You literally just drive and you get paid to drive. I just signed up just recently. You can see I already have 2,000 miles on here. You can see the trending in right here in Charleston earned 8 miles. You can see Honolulu earned 11 miles. Manhattan earned 4 miles. So you can see people are using this application, guys, and that's from Fetch Rewards right there, guys. So this person is using Fetch Rewards as well. So you can see they're inside of this type of game that we're in, guys. So I'm going to be leaving the links. 2 miles, you literally just drive. You have, I think, where it says trips, you can go to different stores, do little tasks to earn a bit more money, and go to rewards and redeem them. You can refer your friends, go to your accounts. I don't know what's inside of most of these, so I do not want to click on them just in case it shows some private information. But this is an interesting application, guys, called Miles. The links are going to be down below. So the links are going to be down below if you're interested in getting started with any of these 3 websites that are going to earn you some free Amazon gift cards. So you can see literally right there, guys. Look at this. There's people earning money. There's Dan Pena that just showed up on YouTube, a billionaire that's going to show you how to earn billions and billions of dollars. But he's a really straightforward person. But guys, if you enjoyed this video, my name is Carreno, and if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online, make sure you check out my YouTube channel. Make sure you check out all of my other videos that seem interesting to you, like this one right here that has 7,200 views, or possibly even this one that has 1,300. And guys, go check them out. You can get started for free on every website that I've been showing you from this day forward or in the past. And I'm going to be showing you some newer methods, newer strategies as time goes on. And guys, give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.